Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with Windows 11 computer. This is that there was a problem resetting your PC, no changes were made. Let's fix it guys. For that, go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and click yes. Now check my video description for these commands guys. Copy the first command and tap the bar, right click edit and paste it in guys. Press enter. After finishing this first command, go and restart your computer guys. After restarting your PC, come back and use this command guys, third and fourth command. Copy it and eject and paste it in. Press enter. After finishing this first command, go ahead and restart your computer. After restarting, go ahead and paste the second command in command prompt. The process cannot be accessed the file because it's being used by another process. That's the reason we getting it. That should be fine. In my case, I'm getting it. You just need to restart your computer before doing this second command and tap the bar, right click eject and paste it in. Press enter guys. After the three commands done, close out of here and restart your PC guys. You should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved at this point. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.